My name is Muhammad Akbar Putra Permana. I'm from Social Education 2011.
The first question, in your opinion, are the facilities in K building adequate or lacking compared to those in the SFK building?
I think the comparison is not comparable because it is clear that the SFB building is more adequate than the K building.
And how does the difference in the quality of facilities between K building and the SFK building impact lecture activities or student productivity?
Because the SFB building is the new building, so of course all the facilities they are friendlier and much better than this building. They have an elevator, their own market, water refills, and much more, so they can study more comfort.
And the last question is, what are your hopes or suggestions for the campus to address the facility gap between K building and the SFK building so that students can have a more equitable learning experience?
Of course, I hope our faculty in this building is going to destroy it, so we can change the building to SFB building. And my suggestion is for faculty officials can continue to provide updates regarding the new building.
Thank you.
My name is Sahayuri Nusani and I am Pensos 2025.
The first question, in your opinion, are the facilities in K building adequate or lacking compared to those in SFK building?
In my opinion, the facilities in building K and SFD are still lacking when compared the those in SFD building like gitu. Terus building K need improve more upgrade, so the building K become comfortable and well maintenance space-nya itu.
Okay. How does the difference in the quality of facilities between K building and the SFB building impact lecture activities or student productivity?
In difference in facility, quality clearly affect both kelihatan jelas lebih. So the studying is more uncomfortable.
How does the difference in the quality of facilities between K building and the SFB building impact lecture activities or student productivity?
Honestly, the different quality of facility itu ngaruh banget ke vibes belajarnya. Terus kalau di ruangan kelas yang uncomfortable, terus kurang terawat atau equipment yang nggak lengkap gitu, otomatis tuh mahasiswa jadi susah hard untuk stay fokus and engine sama materinya.
Last question, what are your hopes or suggestions for the campus to address the facility gap between building K and the SFB building so that students can have more equitable learning experience?
Personally, I hope kampus bisa upgrade facility in building K and at least selevel lah sama SFD gitu. Terus ventilation sampai maintenance-nya lebih konsisten. Kalau kualitas dua gedung ini bisa imbangin, bisa di-compare, itu mahasiswa juga bakal punya learning experience yang lebih fair and supportive. Thank you.
Apakah fasilitas di gedung lain lebih baik atau kurang? Terus dibandingin sama SFB itu gimana?
Jadi kalau misal perbandingannya kekurangannya jelas jauh dari fasilitas misal yang kecil-kecil kayak bangku, meja itu masih pakai bangku ikip kan, meja ikip. Sedangkan di SFD itu mereka udah pakai proper yang bangku kantor sama meja buat kerja sih. Jadi perbandingannya lumayan jauh. Dan kalau misal dilihat juga perbandingan dari segi ukuran kelas itu jauh banget. Jadi kayak misal di gedung K itu cuma setengahnya di SFD gitu.
Terus gimana perbedaan kualitas fasilitas antara gedung A sama SFD? Terus apakah itu mempengaruhi kegiatan perkuliahan atau produktivitas mahasiswa atau enggak?
Jadi kalau misal kualitasnya sendiri bisa dibilang cukup jauh, dan kalau misal bisa dibilang mempengaruhi atau enggak, ya jelas mempengaruhi, karena kegiatan belajar mengajar kan harus berjalan dengan situasi yang nyaman dan kelas yang nyaman juga, jadi itu cukup berpengaruh.
Terus pertanyaan selanjutnya, apa itu ada harapan atau saran gitu buat kampus biar cepet-cepet beresin fasilitas yang kurang memadai di Pak semester juga, supaya tuh mahasiswa tuh bisa punya pengalaman belajar yang lebih setara di SMK.
Oke, kalau harapan gue sih lebih ke bukan gedungnya cepet jadi ya, tapi lebih ke fasilitas yang lebih memadai aja sih gitu. Dan mungkin rektor bisa dengar ya, rektor ganti gedung.
Interviews with Akbar, Rahayu, and Altaf revealed a clear disparity in campus facilities between the SFD building and also the Fish building. This disparity impacts students' comfort, effectiveness, and learning productivity.
They hope the campus will improve its facilities to match those of SFD and encourage students to participate in maintaining the facilities, thereby creating a fair and comfortable learning environment for all.
This situation has the potential to create a sense of injustice and reduce motivation to learn. Therefore, campus attention and commitment are needed to ensure equitable distribution of facilities to create a fair and quality learning environment.
This situation has the potential to create a sense of injustice and reduce motivation to learn. Therefore, campus attention and commitment are needed to ensure equitable distribution of facilities to create a fair and quality learning environment.